everyone, welcome to the data analytics blog. Today I'll be showing us how we can extract data from web and how we can extract data from PDF file and how we can convert Excel data to PDF file. Yes, if we have various websites that we want to extract our data from into Excel, instead of copying and paste the data into Excel, we can actually use the web link to connect the data into Excel and also extract it into Excel. So let's take this one for example. I'm having this particular data and I want to extract it. I want to copy the data into Excel. If I copy this data now, let's say I copy this particular data. Let me copy just part of the data, copy it, and I paste it into my Excel. You can see how the data is. Data is not well organized. I need to remove some things there. So I can actually have a clean data into Excel by connecting the web link. So all I need to do is go back to the website, then click on the web link and copy the web link by using Control C. Then once you have highlighted on the web link, just copy it. Then go back to your Excel, go to data, then go to get data, go to from other sources, then click on web. Once you click on web, take us to this place, then paste the URL link, then click OK. Once you click OK, it will connect our data. You can see now that the data is connecting. And once it has, now my data, it has connected my data. The link has connected in my data. Now the next thing is to click on the data that I want to use. Yes, this is just, you can just click on it to view each of the data, the table in the data, display the table in each of the web link. So what you have to just click on it so to know the exact data you want to use before loading it. So this is the data I want to use. You click on the data you want to use, then come down here and click on load. So you click on load, it will load my data into Excel. You can see now it's extracting my data, it's getting the data into Excel. Now my data has been extracted. Yes, you can see now that it's different from copy and paste. It's extracted the data and divided it into various column that we have in the data in a right way. So the next thing that I want to do is how to extract data from PDF file. So let's say, for example, I have PDF file, this particular PDF file, and I want to copy this data. Instead of copying the data, I can actually connect it into Excel. So I go back to my Excel now, then go to data, go to insert, go to data, then go to get data, then click on from file and click on PDF file. So you must have downloaded your data, your PDF file. So now it's just for me to locate where my PDF file is. So locate where your PDF file is, then click on it. This is the PDF file that I want to use. Click on it, then click on import. Once you click on import, it will also display some data that you have. You have more than two or table inside the data. So you just preview the data to display the ones that you want to use in case. Check on it. So then click on load. Once your data has been loaded, you can see now it's getting my data. So now my data has been loaded. So this is how you can extract data from PDF file and also how to extract data from web. And give us clean data instead of copying the data. If you copy and paste the data directly, the data is going to scatter and you start to it will not give us correct data like this, neat data like this. So now the next thing is how to convert Excel data into PDF file. So let's assume that I have this particular Excel sheet, Excel data now. You have some Excel data that you want to convert it into PDF file. Yes, you can convert Excel data into PDF file. So all you need to do from Excel, yes, from Excel, all you need to do is to highlight the data, then go to File, go to Export, click on Create PDF. Once you've clicked on create the PDF, you can save you rename your date, your file. You can rename it now, and then once you rename it or you leave it like that, then you click on publish. So I already have this particular data, this file. So yes, I want to replace it. Now our data has been converted into PDF file. So this is how we can convert data, Excel data, into PDF file from Excel. I know that you have learned one or two things from my page today. So just make sure that you like this video, subscribe to my channel for you to view various video that I've done and the ones that I will still post here. And also make sure you comment, make sure you like, make sure you share this particular video. And also the most important thing is to practice it. Remember, practice makes perfect. Bye.